Hello my friends, this is Sonu Kumar. I welcome you in this NPTEL online courses. Today I will discuss the very important assignment that means steel structure. If you are a civil engineering students, then this video will very useful and beneficial for you because steel structure is a very important subject for the civil engineering. So let us start the video. This is the assignment 1 of week 1. The first question of the assignment is what is the mass density of steel? The correct answer is answer B, that means 7850 kg per meter cube. That means option B will the correct. Now let's move to the second question. This is the second question and the second question asks me hardness is defined as what? The hardness is the property of a material by virtue of which it offers resistance to indentation and scratching. So the option A will be the correct option. You can go with this. And now move to the question number 3. And this is the question number 3. Which of the following is a disadvantage of steel? That means option B, that means fire and corrosions resistance. This is the disadvantage of the steel, and these all are the option are advantage of steel. That means high strength per unit mass. This is the advantage, and these all are two advantage. So option B is the correct option. Now move to the question number 4th. This is the question number 4th, and the question 4th, what is the permissible stressage in steel in bending compression in working stress method? That means option C, that means 0.66 Fy. This is the correct answer. And now question number 5, what is the factor of safety against axial compression working stress method? That means option D, that means 1.67 is the correct option. The factor of safety is 1.67. This is the correct answer. And now the question number 6, characteristic value are defined as the value that is not expected to the exceeded within in the life of the structure with more than 5% probability. That means option A will be the correct option. And the question number 7th is what is the partial factor of safety of soft fabricated weld? That means 1.25. That means option D is the correct option. And now question number 8, which factor is denoted by K3 in the calculation of design wind speed? When and here K3 is denoted by the topographic factor. The topographic factor is denoted by K3. That means option C will be the correct option. You can go with the option number C. And now move to the question number 9th. The center to center distance of adjacent rivet or a bolt holes measured in the direction of stress is called what? So this is called pitch. That means option B, C is the correct option. You can go with the option number C. And the question number 10, a row of rivet and bolts which is parallel to a direction of stress is called gauge line. That means option B. This is called gauge line. Now the question number 11th, minimum edge distance of the rivet or bolt is 1.5 into bolt diameter. That means 1.5 into D. This is the correct option. And the question number 12th, which of the following is the correct? The correct option is option D. Size of the holes is equal to diameter of the bolt plus clearance. Clearance, that means we provide some space and the diameter of bolt. That is called the size of the holes. The clearance is taken as 2 millimeters, and the diameter of bolt will be 16 millimeter or 20 millimeter can be provided. So the option D will be the correct option. You can go with the option number D. And now the question number 13, what is the minimum pitch distance? The minimum pitch distance is equal to 2.5 into the nominal diameter of the fastener. That means the diameter of the bolt. That means 2.5 into D. This is the correct option, option C. And now move to the question number 14. In the question number 14, in case of the staggered pitch may be increased by 50%. In the staggered pitch in the case of a staggered pitch, the pitch may be increased by 50%. That means option A will be the correct option. And now move to the last question. Last question is 15. That means the question number 15. What is the load factor for the wind load for the load combination dead load plus live load plus AL? That means
Static load.
AL, that means accidental load. In case of limit state of the strength, that means the factor for dead load is equal to 0.35. That means sorry, the for live load is equal to 0.35. That means option A will be the correct option. And for the dead load we can take the load factor is 1, and the accidental load also we can take 0.35. So the option A will be the correct option. You can go with this. If you will face any type of problem, you can ask me in the comment section. I will reply as well as fast. That's all. Thank you.